All right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Anker Zolo 10,000 milliamp portable battery pack. So what this device is simply a portable battery bank from Anker, and it has a 10,000 milliamp capacity. So this currently is on sale on Amazon for about $13. So really well priced unit. And that's primarily why I picked it up, because it's not a bad idea to have multiple of these battery banks on hand, because you never know when you might need to charge up your phone or some other device while you're on the go. So it's always good to have. So anyway, taking it up out of here. So we have that unit there, and it is, again, fairly small, considering it is a 10,000 milliamp capacity. And it is the black color. You can also get this in several other colors as well. I believe white, and I believe there's a blue color and stuff as well. But I will provide a link down below if you guys are interested in taking a look and seeing this for yourselves. It also has a built-in USB-C connector, as you can see here. So I pop this out. It has a built-in USB-C, which is pretty cool. And it looks like if you slide that in there, that USB-C can actually act as a little bit of a handle if you want to use it that way. I personally would not recommend doing that, because you don't want to put any stress on the actual connection to the battery pack itself. You don't want to kink this wire in some way that could cause a short. Then we have two ports. You have a USB-C, which is for charging the unit, as well as outputting power to a secondary device, which is great. And on the side, you have also a standard Type A USB connector for devices that have that type of a cable connection. You can also power the device using this built-in USB-C cable as well, so you don't have to use this port here with a separate cable. It will charge using the built-in one. Basically, the feature about this is that you can be charging a phone using the built-in cable, and then also be charging the battery bank using this port here. So you can basically be charging the battery pack and your phone at the same time with that functionality there. On the front, it's already getting tons of fingerprints on it because of this glossy top on it. Not really a fan of that. But yeah, this top part here basically houses a small LED display, which you can turn on via this button here, which this button is also the main power button for the unit as well. So if you press that once, you can see a display show up, and it immediately shows you the percentage of how much battery you have left in the battery pack. So, which is great, because most battery banks have just a little LED light that'll kind of show the capacity, which is not very descriptive, and I'm not a huge fan of that. So to actually have a screen that shows the percentage in a number format is really good. It also has a secondary function. If you double press this power button, you'll see a little green dot appear next to the percentage. And what that means is it goes into what's called trickle charging mode. And that is essentially reducing the charge output power of this device for when you're charging something, say portable headphones or your smartwatch or something that doesn't need full power, charge power to be coming out of this. You could do that to reduce the chance of the device that you're trying to charge from getting damaged or something like that. Also, this device, when charging a phone that supports it, it has up to 30 watts of output power, which is great. That means that this is capable of fast charging most smartphones, whether it be an iPhone or an Android phone or something of that nature. It is capable of charging those devices basically as fast as you would if you had it plugged into a standard wall outlet. So really nice there. Last thing here to end this video is it does come with its own little USB-C cable in the box. And this again is to plug into that dedicated USB-C port here. You can use this cable to charge a device if you want, such as a phone or a watch or AirPods, headphones, whatever. Or again, like I said, you can use this to charge the actual unit itself via a wall brick to plug into a wall outlet. So anyway, that is basically it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I will provide links to this down below if you guys are interested in checking it out for yourself. And yeah, hit that subscribe button, greatly appreciated. Hit the like button as well, and I will see you guys in the next one.